If you've been working towards getting your photos organized, then you already know that it's not always easy to find the photos that are stored here, there, and everywhere on your computer. Hi, I'm Rebecca with Rose and Bird Studio, and I have some tips and tricks to help you find your photos faster on your PC if it uses the Windows operating system. I want to help you enjoy the confidence of knowing what is stored on your computer and where to actually find it. As you know, digital photos arrive on our computers generally with just numbers and letters as their file names. This can make them pretty tricky to find. Depending on how your photos got onto your PC in the first place, they're going to be stored in different places. For example, photos from a digital camera or from your phone's camera land in different places depending on your transfer method. Photos downloaded from your browser and the internet will go to whatever location you have set your browser downloads to go to. And then a syncing cloud service like Dropbox, OneDrive, or your iCloud account will store photos in their own synced folders. In Windows 10 or 11, the Photos app works together to pull all your photos from your computer, your phone, and other devices. It will then put them in one place where you can more easily find what you're looking for, and that's good. The search capabilities in the Windows Photos app are pretty robust. To open up that app, step 1, you're going to use the search box on the taskbar. And then step 2, type photos and then select the Photos app from those results. If you can't find the search box on your taskbar, click the Windows icon down in that lower left corner of your screen to launch the Start menu, and then you can scroll to find the Photos app listed in that left menu. Once you've landed in the Photos app, you should see a list of photos that are automatically arranged by date. The photos taken, saved, or downloaded recently should appear at the top of the list, with older ones appearing further down. So you can use the search box and keywords to search through your collection of photos by date, album, people, or even folder names if you know those. Or you could get more specific and search to find a person, place, or thing. The remarkable Windows Photos app actually recognizes faces and objects and images and automatically adds tags that will really help you find what you need the next time you're looking. Its facial analysis algorithm is really pretty amazing. As you search for, let's say, mountains, dog, or tree, it will pull photos that are recognizable for those search terms. Now, don't expect a photo of a dog from far, far away or just a branch of a tree to be found unless you get lucky, although they are always improving this technology, so who knows. But generally, this will really speed up your search. You can also select a face that is shown in the search pane to see all the photos that are stored there that this person appears in. But what if the photo you're looking for isn't showing up in a search using the Photos app? Depending on where your photos originated before they came to your PC, they may be stored outside of the Photos app. In this case, you can get a head start on your search by asking your computer's File Explorer to find all the image files stored on your computer. Here's how you do that. Step 1 is to click the Windows icon down in that lower left corner of your screen, and that will launch the Start menu. And then find This PC. So step 2 is to click on This PC and look for the search box out to the right. Step 3, in the search bar, type kind:\picture, and the File Explorer will gather all the photo files on your PC. Now that you have that list, you can scroll down through those to find that missing photo. And just a heads up, this type of search pulls image files of all types: JPEGs, PNGs, PDFs even, GIFs, and bitmap files. If you do find a photo that you want to open to check it out and make sure it's the one you're looking for, your next step is to find the location of that file by right-clicking on the name or the thumbnail and then clicking Open File Location. And that should show you where to go and open that file. If you've synced cloud services with on your PC like OneDrive, Dropbox, or iCloud, the photo files in those folders can also be found using either the method that we just talked about or through a manual search. Just remember that to open the files or to use them in a document, they have to be synced as local files. Synced cloud services try to help us keep from overloading our hard drives with too many files, so they all have their own systems to manage that. Here's how that works. In OneDrive, the files remain in on-demand status until you open them for the first time. Your computer must be connected to the internet at that time for that file to fully download and open. You'll know when this has happened because the file thumbnail will then have a green check mark on it. So if you aren't connected, the file won't open and the thumbnail will show the cloud icon until it has been opened and downloaded. In Dropbox, the files remain in online-only status to save hard drive space, so you'll need to right-click and choose Local from the list of Dropbox options. You can also reset that file back to online-only status later to save space. With your iCloud files, and depending on which version of Windows you're running on your PC, your photos may need to be clicked to download. You'll know when they've been downloaded because just like in OneDrive, they'll have that green check mark instead of the cloud icon on the file thumbnail. I hope this information has helped you to learn how to have more success as you search for photo files on your Windows PC. Let me know in the comments what struggles you are having with using digital media to create a collection of your family photos and the stories that they tell. If we've helped you, please click like to let us know that we are creating the kind of content that you need. Do you want to know when we post new videos? Just click subscribe.